Today, we're going to tie up a unique pattern that was inspired by the Prince Nymph. To start, we'll grab some white thread, attach it to our hook shank, and snap the excess free. We'll then insert some lead-free wire, secure it with our thread, and helicopter the excess free. Continue wrapping to the bend of the hook, and grab a Peacock Sword. We'll strip off a few feathers and secure them to the back of the fly. Secure tightly and wrap your thread towards the bead. Snip the excess free, and grab some gold wire. Here I'm using size small. Insert the gold wire into the bead and secure it tightly, wrapping back towards the tail. And grab our Peacock Sword. But instead, we'll be using this herl that's located on the bottom of your feather. This herl's thinner and makes a great ribbing. We'll secure it to the back of the fly, snip the excess free, and begin wrapping your thread towards the bead, building up a smooth body transition in the process. Once complete, grab your peacock herl and begin palmering it up the body, doing so in open spirals and trying to keep them evenly spaced. Once you reach your thread, secure, and snipping the excess free. We'll then grab our gold wire and begin counter wrapping up the body until we reach our thread. This will help provide durability for our delicate peacock herl. Secure tightly and helicopter the excess free. We'll then grab our peacock sword again, strip off a few fibers, and secure them to the head of the fly. Once complete, we can begin hackling this around the head of our fly. If you have one, you can do this with a rotary vise, but if not, you can simply do it by hand. Secure and snip the excess free. With this complete, we'll rotate our fly around and grab some cream-colored biots. Position them in a V formation and secure them loosely to the head of the fly. This way, you can manipulate the fibers to face out, splaying away from each other. Once happy, secure tightly and snip the excess free. Next, we'll grab some dubbing. Here I'm using the color Hare's Ear and wrap it over the top of our biots. Once complete, brush it out to give it a nice, buggy look. And this is a fly I like to call the Prince's Sword. I've had decent success using this as an attractor pattern and would love to hear how you guys do with it. If you'd like to win this fly, comment #flies in the comments below. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.